Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. What's going on guys, I'm Bhushan on Tech Inside and thank you for stopping by. Today with me I have HP G6 245. This laptop is very inexpensive laptop which you can buy in today's market. Alright, talking of this laptop, it comes with AMD A9 CPU and for the graphics it comes with AMD R4 Radeon graphics. This laptop can't be used by gamers, now it's for content creator. This laptop can only be used by students and can only be used by professional workers who need to do their work on MS Office. This laptop is very inexpensive laptop and for the price we get full plastic body. Although the build quality of this laptop is not that great, but it's good for the price that we pay. Now this laptop comes in 3 variants. One of the variant is with me. Now next thing is, this variant came with no operating system out of the box. I manually installed Windows 10 in this PC. Although a new video will be coming out soon in which I will install Windows 10 on DOS PC. The same video card link is now on that I button. Now let's move forward and talk about all the features that this laptop offers. This laptop comes with one optical drive and one SD card reader. This is one of the major features that we don't get in flagship laptop. Now let's move forward and talk about the ports. For the port we have one USB port which is of second gen, is on right side, and rest of the ports is on left side. On the left side we have two USB port which is of second gen, one port for monitor output and one port for Ethernet which is of RJ45. Moving forward, we have one port for audio and mic output. And now at the bottom, we have two bottom firing speakers. For the disadvantage, we have air intake at the bottom of this laptop. This means we need to keep this laptop always on flat surface. Talking of display and the touchpad, it comes with Windows Precision touchpad drivers. And for the display, it comes with WLED display which is 66% calibrated for sRGB. For the keyboard, we don't have any number pads on this keyboard as this laptop is only of 14 inches. And moving forward, we have pretty decent keyboard on this laptop. The travel of this key is not that much, but it's okay. That's it for this video. If you guys think this video helped you, then please consider to subscribe my channel and turn on that bell notification so that you can get notified as soon as I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.